Ever wondered how the whole buying Bitcoin thing works? You're not alone. Bitcoin, the OG cryptocurrency, has captured the world's attention, but navigating the world of exchanges and wallets can feel intimidating. So, let's say you're curious about diving in. You've heard whispers of Gemini, a popular exchange platform, and you want to know, can you use a good old-fashioned bank transfer to buy some Bitcoin on Gemini? The answer? Buckle up, because it depends. This might not be the answer you were hoping for, but fear not. This video will unpack everything you need to know about buying Bitcoin with a bank transfer on Gemini. We'll explore the different options available, the pros and cons, and leave you feeling confident about your next crypto move. The allure of bank transfers. Let's face it, bank transfers feel familiar. We use them all the time. It's a safe and established way to move money. So, the idea of seamlessly transferring funds from your bank account to snag some Bitcoin sounds pretty appealing, right? The Gemini landscape, ACH versus wire transfer. Here's where things get interesting. Unlike some other exchanges, Gemini offers two main ways to deposit funds using your bank account: ACH transfers and wire transfers. ACH transfers, also known as electronic funds transfers, EFTs, are the more common option. They're generally slower, taking a few business days to complete, but they come with lower fees. Wire transfers, on the other hand, are the express lane. Your funds will be available almost instantly, but you'll pay a premium for that speed. Can you buy Bitcoin with an ACH transfer on Gemini? Now, for the big reveal, currently, Gemini doesn't allow you to directly purchase Bitcoin using an ACH transfer. Hold on, don't click away just yet. Here's the twist: while you can't directly buy Bitcoin with ACH, you can still use it to deposit USD into your Gemini account. Once the funds settle, which can take a few business days, you can then use those USD to purchase Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency offered on Gemini. The pros and cons of the ACH route. So, using ACH for your Bitcoin purchase on Gemini isn't a direct one-step process, but it does offer some advantages. Lower fees. Compared to wire transfers, ACH transfers come with significantly lower fees. This can be a major plus, especially for smaller Bitcoin purchases. Familiarity. As mentioned before, ACH transfers feel familiar. It's a familiar process you likely already use for other transactions. However, there are also some drawbacks to consider. Waiting period. The wait time for ACH transfers to settle can be frustrating. You'll have to wait those few business days before you can actually buy Bitcoin. Market fluctuations. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility. In those few days while your ACH transfer settles, the price of Bitcoin could fluctuate significantly. This means you might miss out on a good buying opportunity. The wire transfer option. Speed at a price. If the waiting period of ACH transfers is a deal breaker, then wire transfers might be a better option for you. Here's what you need to know about using wire transfers on Gemini. Faster deposits. Funds from a wire transfer will be available in your Gemini account almost instantly, allowing you to purchase Bitcoin right away. Higher fees. Be prepared for higher fees compared to ACH transfers. The convenience of speed comes at a cost. The final verdict: bank transfers and Bitcoin on Gemini. So, can you buy Bitcoin on Gemini with a bank transfer? The answer, as we've seen, is a nuanced one. If you prioritize lower fees and are comfortable with a waiting period, then using ACH to deposit USD and then purchasing Bitcoin is a viable option. However, if speed is your top concern and you're willing to pay a premium, then wire transfers can get you into the Bitcoin game much faster. The takeaway: choose your weapon. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs and priorities. If you prioritize saving money on fees and don't mind the wait, then ACH transfers are a good option. However, if speed is crucial, then wire transfers might be the better fit, despite the higher costs. Beyond bank transfers, exploring other options. It's important to note that Gemini also offers other ways to buy Bitcoin, such as debit card purchases. These options might come with different fees and processing times, so be sure to explore all the possibilities on the Gemini platform before making a decision.